Welcome to day 11. Today's word is align. This one's about realignment, letting your actions, energy, and truth move in the same direction. Align means coming back into integrity with yourself, with what you value, with who you are becoming. It's easy to get pulled off course, to start saying yes to what you've already outgrown, to shrink yourself to fit into spaces that no longer feel like home, to betray your own truth just to be accepted by others. But alignment asks a different question. Is this true for me? Does this match where I'm going? Because your peace depends on your alignment. Your clarity depends on your alignment. And your healing, it only deepens when your life reflects the truth you carry. And here's the thing. Alignment isn't perfection. It's not about having everything figured out. It's about honesty. It's about refusing to keep abandoning yourself just to make other people feel comfortable. Realignment often begins with a quiet but powerful choice. I choose truth over approval. I choose integrity over image. I choose alignment over fear. That choice, small as it may seem, shifts everything. So here's today's challenge. Check in with your alignment. Where are you saying yes when you mean no? Where are your habits out of sync with your values? Where are you still dimming your light to feel safe? Write it down, reflect on it, and then choose one small way to realign today. Even if it's just being radically honest with yourself. And as you notice those places, let these questions guide your reflection. Where in my life do I feel out of alignment? And what shift am I being called to make? What would my life look like if my choices, values, and energy finally moved in the same direction? Sit with these gently. They may bring the clarity you've been waiting for. Let's anchor that intention with affirmation. Breathe deeply and speak these words like they belong to you. I am allowed to choose alignment over approval. I move in a way that honors my truth. Again, I am allowed to choose alignment over approval. I move in a way that honors my truth. Let's take this moment together and close in prayer. If it feels right, place your hand over your heart. Inhale slowly. Exhale and close your eyes. Spirit, show me where I've drifted off course, not in punishment but in love. Reveal the places where I've been living out of alignment, where I've said yes out of fear, where I've chosen approval over truth, where I've ignored the quiet pull of my own soul. Give me the courage to return, to choose what honors my spirit even if it's uncomfortable, to move in integrity even when it costs me convenience, to walk in truth even when the world asks me to shrink. Align my steps with your purpose. Align my words with my values. Align my heart with what brings peace. And when I'm tempted to abandon myself again, gently guide me back to myself, to you. Remind me that realignment is not failure, it's grace. It's the invitation to return again and again to the path you created for me. Amen. Let today bring you back into alignment. I'll see you tomorrow for day 12. Same time, different word. Until then, walk in truth. From my heart to yours, I am always with you.